again, fellow Bolt members. Today I'm gonna show you today how easy it is to perform a CPU upgrade. This computer here, the customers have been having a lot of grief with it. Just isn't performing like it should. So I thought, simple solution, CPU upgrade. Now here we have, I think it's an i7. I'm not too sure, to be honest. I will now demonstrate how easy this procedure actually is. Oh, first one of the day. Now then, first of all, we need to free up the fan. Jesus. Guess we better turn her off first for safety. Okay. Don't you make that same mistake as I just did then. Mind you, that wasn't a mistake, that was a warning. Just to show you the dangers of messing about with this kind of thing. Okay, in we go. Jesus. God in heaven. Yeah, well, that's the fan. Now we have what's known as the heat sink. Mother of God. Obviously it's been in there for some time. Ooh! Well, that didn't go so bad, did it? Now, as you can see, the heatsink came off quite smoothly. A lot of dust, obviously. Omaru, you know, you should pay particular attention to this. Can you see the buildup of dust? Very, very bad for your computer. Okay. We have our Pentium chip. No. Why did I say this? Because I really don't remember. It might appear that it won't fit. If this happens, don't worry, we have a solution. Epoxy resin, always. I've sworn by this for many years, this has never let me down. Slap the epoxy onto the chip and slap her in there. Hold on just a second, it seems to be covered in a bit of dust there. Okay. Okay, I think we're ready.
Honey, your pizza's ready.
What was that?
Your pizza's ready.
Oh, I'm gonna have to go. Been called for my pizza. I will continue this tutorial in, well, as soon as I can, really. I think it's pepperoni today, so I better go and consume. If you're following this tutorial, Omaru, just stop right there, okay? Just don't go any further, because you can potentially cause a lot of damage to your computer. So just bear with me. I'll be back as soon as I can. See you in a bit.